Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to the Monday edition of the Tech Stocks Daily podcast. Get ready for an exciting ride as we unravel Oracle's dynamic moves, where financial machinations meet groundbreaking healthcare innovations. We'll dive into Microsoft's double whammy, enhancing cloud gaming without the hardware fuss, and its stellar leap in market performance. Finally, we'll navigate through Endava's legal waters, where lawsuits and investor drama are painting quite the picture. Stay tuned as we break down what these tech titans are up to and what it means for the savvy investor. Let's dive in. Oh, what a day for Oracle. This giant of enterprise software and database realms has been making waves on multiple fronts today, enough to keep tech aficionados buzzing. Let's dive into the thrilling tales of big moves from Oracle's camp. From its financial gymnastics and options trading to a sparkling innovation in cloud-based healthcare solutions. First up, Oracle's financial scene is looking pretty lively thanks to some audacious activity in the options market. If you've got a thing for high-stakes investing drama, this might tickle your fancy. With whales, yep, the financial kind, showing a bullish trend towards Oracle, it's fair to say something is afoot. A significant 48% of options investors have put their chips on bullish trades, while 38% are leaning the other way. That's a whopping amount of financial tug-of-war. Piles of options trading cash were thrown around, with 669,392 on puts and 3,106,386 on calls. Those big players are eyeing a price spectrum ranging from $140 to a rather optimistic $220 for Oracle over recent months. This bustling activity is powered by Oracle's legacy as a powerhouse of database technology and enterprise planning software. With a clientele of over 430,000 across 175 countries, Oracle isn't just a company's name, it's a verb in the enterprise tech community. It's the elder statesman of SQL-based relational databases, having donned its cape of software excellence since 1977. And with 136,000 tech knights, employees, in its ranks, Oracle is a force to be reckoned with in the tech universe. But wait, there's more. Oracle is not just making waves in the stock market. It's also revolutionizing healthcare with its latest debuting, Oracle Health Clinical Data Exchange. This cloud-based solution promises to streamline medical claims processing through a magical land of secure and automated data exchange. It's hosted on the Oracle Cloud infrastructure, where it seeks to banish manual labor, cut costs, and speed up those long-dreaded approval and claims processes. Payers are in for a treat, with instantaneous claim evaluations and enhanced clinical decision capabilities, almost like Star Trek's artificial intelligence. The true sorcery behind this solution is its military-grade cybersecurity, ensuring all data exchanges between providers and payers are not only seamless, but also fortified against any digital intruders. Providers get to have total control over their data, deciding what and when to share, ensuring an audit-capable governance system. It's as if Oracle said, what if we made everyone just a bit happier? Payers can say goodbye to antiquated claims procedures, reducing billion-dollar inefficiencies that once strained relationships in the healthcare ecosystem. With such a revolutionary tool at hand, Oracle proves that its enterprise instincts can indeed bring tangible, positive changes to real-world problems. All these endeavors indicate Oracle's enduring mission to evolve with the times. So, whether you are an investor watching those dollar signs dance or a healthcare provider looking for that digital edge, Oracle, in all its multifaceted glory, has you covered. Tune in next time as we further explore Oracle's manifold tech escapades. Today, the tech giant Microsoft is making waves in the news for two major developments: the expansion of its cloud gaming capabilities and a strong performance comparison against its industry competitors. Firstly, Microsoft is set to take a significant leap in the gaming arena by announcing the testing of a feature allowing Xbox users to stream games they actually own through the cloud. This move, aimed at Xbox insiders beginning in November, could redefine how gamers engage with their digital libraries. Until now, Xbox's cloud streaming was primarily restricted to games available via Xbox Game Pass. However, the upcoming feature means players will soon be able to stream any game they own digitally or have in their library, freeing them from the confines of powerful hardware. The delay in launching this feature stems from two major hurdles: the sheer complexity of prepping Microsoft's infrastructure to handle countless games and potential licensing roadblocks with publishers. Streaming not just hundreds of games as currently offered on Game Pass, but potentially thousands, poses a staggering technical challenge. How do you stream with stability when gameplay depends on preprocessors? Plus, some publishers might not look too kindly on this shift due to existing agreements. Nevertheless, Microsoft's pursuit of making games accessible across devices like smartphones and lower-end laptops underscores its broader strategic vision. To complement cloud gaming, they're also planning to allow game purchases through the Xbox app on Android next month, enhancing the gaming ecosystem for mobile users. On another front, Microsoft is making headlines by proving its mettle within the software industry via robust performance evaluation. Compared to its competition, Microsoft shows promising financial indicators suggesting longevity and growth. Despite having a PE ratio slightly below the industry average, which can indicate growth potential, Microsoft boasts a lower than average PB ratio, signifying it could be undervalued. Some eyebrows might raise at Microsoft's slightly high PS ratio. This just means the market is sweet on those sales figures. Profitability certainly isn't taking a back seat. Microsoft's EBITDA and gross profit greatly surpassed the industry averages, highlighting excellent cash flow and core operations strength. With a notable revenue growth of 15.2%, surpassing the industry's 11.4% benchmark, Microsoft's dominance in expanding market share is clear as day. Not to be overlooked is how Microsoft manages its finances. With a debt-to-equity ratio significantly lower than its top competitors, MSFT exhibits a healthier balance between debt and assets, spelling out less financial risk and potentially more investor confidence. Together, these stories exemplify Microsoft's continued dedication to innovation and strategic business practice, sometimes enough to make you drop your coffee. Whether through enhancing gaming accessibility across platforms or maintaining a solid foothold in the ever-altering terrain of the software industry, Microsoft proves once again why it remains a formidable player. Keep an eye on this tech juggernaut. It surely won't disappoint. Whoa, tech enthusiasts and market movers. Buckle up because today we're diving into the legal rapids with Endava PLC, and there's a lot to unpack. So why is Endava taking the spotlight in the stock market drama today? Let's start with the basics. Endava, a company known for its digital transformation bewitchery in various sectors, has caught the eye of two heavy-duty securities litigation firms, Levi & Korsinski LLP and Bernstein Liebard LLP. So, you know it's about to get serious. First up, Levi & Korsinski have sounded the klaxon for all Endava investors affected by some alleged shenanigans. The class action lawsuit dreams of recovering losses for those who, between May 23, 2023 and February 28, 2024, were, let's say, serenaded by unproven promises from the company. Allegations are flying that Endava kept mum about important facts. Demand for its services was taking a nosedive. Clients pulled the old switcheroo by delaying or canceling projects, and as a cheeky consequence, looked like Endava's fiscal performance for 2023 and 2024 took a ding. The silver lining? If you're doing a double take on your Endava stocks, you have until October 25, 2024 to become a lead plaintiff. Bring your best court suit. Meanwhile, across the legal Sahara, Bernstein Liebard LLP is also making waves. They remind Endava investors of the ticking clock to file a lead plaintiff motion, echoing similar grievances about misrepresentations in the company's payments and financial services and banking and capital markets verticals. It's a real-life courtroom cliffhanger that brings to mind the old adage, never judge a stock by its cover story. These lawsuits allege that Endava's optimistic chirping about its business was more illusion than resolution, not exactly the sweet serenade investors were hoping for. And here's a fun twist. You can be part of this litigation saga without landing the lead role, as any eventual payouts might still find their way to you. But wait, there's more. Both legal powerhouses are rolling out the red carpet for contingent representation, so you won't have to dig deep into your pockets unless there's a financial recovery. Cheerfully assuming their spots as investor advocates, both law firms bring a rich history of meaty settlements to the table. Certainly a good talk for your investor checklist. So what are your thoughts, dear viewers? Are the courtroom thrust and parry making your head spin, or do you think Endava will dance masterfully around these legal flames? Whether you're a casual observer or a vested participant, this will be a dramatic arc to follow. I'm avidly awaiting your takes in the comments section. Popcorn at the ready. Let's hear those opinions and predictions. All right, let's zero in on Microsoft and contemplate whether to buy, sell, or hold, examining everything we've unpacked today. Now remember, before making any investment decisions, always do your own homework. Microsoft is looking spicy with its twin developments, expanding its cloud gaming capabilities and its standout financial performance. From a strategic perspective, these two fronts highlight Microsoft's adaptability and commitment to growth, portraying them as a safe bet in the ever-evolving tech landscape. The cloud gaming expansion underscores Microsoft's foresight into the future of entertainment. Unshackling gamers from hardware constraints by letting them stream games they already own could reshape the gaming experience. It potentially places Microsoft ahead in the lucrative world of gaming as more players begin valuing accessibility and cross-device playability. This positions Microsoft to remain a leader in a sector that demands constant evolution. From a financial lens, although some of Microsoft's valuation metrics like the PS ratio seem pricey compared to competition, the strong revenue growth, robust balance sheet, and superior profitability metrics offer a contrasting narrative, a knight gallantly lifting its sword amidst software chivalry. Lower debt points towards sustained financial health, thus potentially reducing risk for investors. So if I'm donning my analyst hat, these factors would strongly lead me towards a buy or confident hold. Why? Because Microsoft not only shows promise in terms of immediate innovation in projects like cloud gaming, but continues to outpace peers financially, with room to grow due to its strategic plays. However, never just take my word or anyone else's as gospel. Keep tabs on market conditions, Microsoft's quarterly reports, and how they implement these exciting advancements. Make sure you align these with your personal financial goals and risk tolerance. And there you have it, my personal take based on today's happenings. Over to you, listeners. Research away, and happy investing. Well, tech fans, today's market is as lively as ever, with Oracle shaking up the financial and healthcare world through its high-voltage options trading and cloud-based health innovations. Meanwhile, Microsoft continues to assert dominance, capturing attention with cloud gaming advancements and showing off a hefty financial performance. And then we have Endava caught in a legal showdown drama that puts their business tune into a suspenseful twist, giving us a front row seat to a courtroom saga. Each company brings its own flair to the market activity for the day. If you enjoyed our tech tea for today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Make sure you swing by tomorrow for another round of tech updates. Keep buzzing, tech fam.